Hey guys, what's up? Today we're making salmon. Let me go through the ingredients and tell you guys how to make it. So first we have salmon, we have 2 lemons sliced, and then we have garlic, crushed pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, brown sugar, salt, and then we have honey, soy sauce, and olive oil. Okay guys, so now we're going to put our dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. So then we can rub it all over our salmon. So let's get started. First, we have our garlic powder. Let me just carefully put that in. And then once you put your garlic powder, you want to put your ginger powder. If you're wondering what ginger powder is, it's this right here. So what you want to do is just do this. And then you want to put your crushed pepper flakes in. Like this. And then your brown sugar. Oops, sorry. Then you want to put your normal sugar in. Salt, I meant salt, my bad, guys. Okay, there. So now we have our ingredients in. We're going to put the soy sauce into the ingredients we just mixed. And then what we want to do is mix this until it's really good mixed. So it should be like a thick consistency because of the honey, and there should be like chunks of ground pepper. It should look like this, guys. This looks really good. Smells really good too. If you're not a fan of spice, you can put less ground pepper, chili flakes, but I like it spicy, so I put a lot more than usual. This is how it should look like, guys. And then now we're going to rub the olive oil all over our salmon. And so as we do this, this will be like an easier way, so then all of the stuff like that we just mixed in will like stick on the salmon, and to where we can like to where it would be easier. Also, it helps it cook. So once you put all of the oil you put in the bowl. So once we have the pan here, what we want to do is put the olive oil under here where the salmon will be, like this. And if you want, you can pour like this too. Okay, so now that we have all of the oil like this, then what you want to do is just rub it around here like this, so that we can get it nice and coated under. Now remember, you do not want to put any of the seasoning on the bottom of the salmon because of the skin right now. And so once we do this, guys, we're going to transfer the salmon to this, and then we're going to put the seasoning that we just made, and then we're going to let it cook. So let me put this over here, and then let me get my gloves real quick, and then let me put them on. And then once we do this, guys, we can start coating the salmon with the ingredients we just mixed. Okay, so now what we want to do is carefully pick up the salmon without breaking it. And then we carefully put it right here. And so now, guys, what we want to do is get the ingredients that we just mixed and like pour a little bit on like that. And then we want to mix, and we use the brush we had for the olive oil, and then just mix it like this. Like this, guys. Okay. So once we do this, we can transfer this to the oven to let it cook for about 30 minutes. So what you want to do is put all of the seasoning that you have, all of it, all over, because you never want to waste this food, guys. So you do it like this, okay? Then once you do this, you want to like coat it all around with the hey, what's this called? And then we just spread it all around. Okay. So, okay guys. Now what we want to do before we put it in the oven, we want to put the lemon and garlic all over okay. So we put 3 lemons on top, like this. I'm gonna put this one on the side here, and then just put this one here, that. And then you want to put one more lemon like this. And then once you do that, you can put the rest of the lemons on the side or something, like this. So you get just a little bit more lemon. Okay, so now we want to get some garlic and do this. Then you want to use all your garlic and then just push it all around like this. And then just get some garlic everywhere. Then, after this, you can carefully transfer it to the oven. And you want to preheat the oven to 375. And then once you do this, what you want to do is wrap it around with aluminum foil, which I do need some help on this part, I think. Wait, actually, no, I got this, guys. So you just want to do this. To the thing, like this. Okay. So after you do this, what you want to do is place this in the oven for 30 minutes. Okay guys, so now we put the oven to 375 for 30 minutes to cook. Then we're going to place this in the oven for 30 minutes, and then after 30 minutes you want to take it out and unwrap the foil, put it back in for 15 minutes until cooked. So now let's do this, guys. So what you want to do is open the oven. Whew. That's really hot. Okay guys, so the salmon's all ready, and now we're going to take it out and we're going to unwrap it and then put it back in for another 15 minutes. I need to be really careful on this. I do kind of need Mom's help, Dad. It's a little bit hot.
You got it.
Bring it down.
You got it, bud. You got it.
Okay.
Use 2 hands. You got it, son. You got it. There you go. It's hot, but you got it.
Here.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Oh, okay.
Very good. Okay, good job.
Cool. Okay, guys, so I just took the salmon out, and now we're going to unwrap it. Oh, that's hot. Be really careful.
Keep going. Over here.
Okay, guys. So now we are going to open the wrap. Then we're going to pull it out a little bit. Okay, good. So now what we want to do is grab the salmon like this. And we want to be careful. And we just want to catch. Just want to push that back in like that. Then we put this. Boom. Alexa, set timer for 15 minutes. So now we set a timer for 15 minutes and wait. We'll be back, folks. Okay, guys, so we just took out the salmon, and this is the final presentation. It smells really good, and now the onion, the garlic, and the lemon is cooked, and we're making rice for this too. Stay tuned for the next video to see that. Please smash that like button and subscribe. See you guys later.